the hitch. Such a versatile component for any Jeep. You can use it as an additional recovery point. You can use it to tow a sleeper trailer. You can use it to tow bikes. Hell, you can even use it to install a rack to carry extra camping equipment if that's your thing. Yes, the hitch. Every Jeep should have a hitch installed. Today's video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy you can get one installed on your Jeep. I'm Modell. Stay tuned. So what we went with to put on Missy's Jeep was the Tiger hitch. This doesn't include the wiring harness if you actually want to tow something that has lights on the end of it. That's not what we want the hitch for. We just want the hitch receiver plate. That's it. So we went with this. It's 60 bucks. It's powder coated. It comes with 2 welded on nuts. Then of course you're going to be bolting in the other 2. It's a really simple and easy install. Now some of you might be saying, why the hell are you going China? Well, I'm doing my part to make sure China has less steel to build tanks when it comes time. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, one, ensure that your bumper has a hitch cutout. That's going to be important to make sure it has the clearance in order to accommodate a hitch. Otherwise, you're just going to need to cut it, which won't be too hard if you just have the tools to do it. But it's just better to buy a bumper with the hitch cutout. Yes, this bumper is not the same as yours. Your bumper might be a little bit more difficult to put on. This is the CAFAB stubby bumper.
CAFAB micro skinny.
I love it. Oh yeah. Here's all what you need to get to. Once you drop the bumper, you have the rear cross member for the frame. This is just going to sit up right in it, and you're just going to get those 4 bolts in. That's literally it. So what comes with the kit is a hitch cover, if that's your thing. It comes with the bracket for the wiring harness. It doesn't come with any of the wiring. And it comes with 4 bolts, lock washers, nylon lock nuts, all the goody mounting hardware that you're going to need for this. But in all seriousness, this is not a piece that I will go and spend $300 on to get American made. I'm not towing anything super heavy. Our hitches are for our bikes. Get your bolt, your washer. Once you get your 2 bolts ready, slide this up into place. We're going to go in from the front just to get more clearance with the bumper, because this is a very thin bumper. Or not thin, it's a very tight bumper. So to give us the maximum amount of clearance, we'll go in that way. Get your washers, put them on the opposite sides. Your nuts for this are nylon locking nuts, so you don't need a lock washer on that. This looks like an 18. Let me see. I lied, it's a 19. Reach on the back, get it started. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Make sure you got your washer, which I already do. Lock washer, washer. You're going to go in from the back. I may have to loosen it again. It's all tight. So before you tighten all that down, don't until you get all your bolts to line up. Get your 3rd bolt, go in from the back, start to thread it. Get your other bolt washer, slide it in. Now, it took us forever to get Heathen a hitch, but over like the last 8 weeks we've been going mountain biking every weekend. And I'm the one who keeps having to drive. I'm getting a little tired of it. It's time for Misty to be able to drive out to these places that we're going. So she gets a hitch now.
I'm getting hitched.
Then just tighten. Grab bumper, reinstall. that bumper is absolute American beef.
You like it snug?
Tight fit's the best fit. So like I said, we're not installing this for the purpose of towing a trailer. My personal opinion, you shouldn't be towing a trailer with your JL anyway. If you've seen a JL running down the road towing a trailer, they just look like they're about to break an axle. So, not using that. Well, it's time to go load up some bikes. And time for me to enjoy the ride and relax while Misty drives. But guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Until next one, yo, keep it easy.